Happy Tuesday, y'all. So I ran to the store to pick up a few things, and then when I got there, I saw some things that I needed to get that I hadn't been able to find, so I went ahead and got them. So in my Hurricane Laura, I lost blackberries, so I bought me these. They were on sale for $2.40, which was a good deal. I got the blackberries here. I got some pepperoni because we are tomorrow I'm gonna do homemade pizzas, and so I got these mild sausages here. They were $2.98. I'm going to use one for that, and I'm gonna freeze the other. So I'm gonna use this and this on my two pieces, along with bell pepper and onion. The Zatarain's rice, I hadn't been able to find it, so I finally found some. I've never used this pizza sauce, but I'm gonna have to use it because I didn't have the ragu. I got 3 of the deluxe, and I got 3 cheeseburger macaroni. I went back to Kroger because they had this cheese 4 for $5. So I got 3 mozzarella for my pizzas, and I got 1 Colby Jack. I got chicken wings. Sanderson Farm and Tyson are my favorite brands. So these were $1.97. Yeah. So I got 2 packages of those. I got some flour. I got lettuce, Roma tomatoes. I love the Martha White pizza crust. I use that, so I got a couple of those. I got some more bell pepper and some more cucumbers. Remember, these were 3 for $1, so I went back to the sale ends, and the Roma tomatoes were 87 cents. That's all I have. I don't have very much. I just want to come and share. This is my first time since I've been to the store.